I am Jack Bosma, and I'm extremely excited to introduce Mr. Muhammad Ismail for another course discussion of an outstanding curriculum that has been meticulously prepared by Mr. Ismail. Our focus now on this brief presentation is to discuss IT troubleshooting and technical support IT. Would you like to continue this discussion on the very valuable and very important course that you have created, Mr. Ismail?
Jake, thank you very much for inviting me. Great opportunity to introduce my course on the learners. So my name is Muhammad Ismail. I am an instructor on Udemy. Last 5 years, I have introduced and published about 35 courses on Udemy, where I have enrolled about 100,000 students in my courses. So I have designed especially for computer related courses, web development, IT troubleshooting, software engineering, desktop support engineering, and computer engineering, computer organization, software and web development. So in this course, especially designed for IT troubleshooting, this course is especially designed for information technology related IT technicians who are working or want to scale their upgrade their skills related to IT technicians. These courses especially designed for that IT troubleshootings who working in organizations like IT technicians, they face the problems, how solve the troubleshooting issues, especially these courses designed for those technical engineers, IT engineers, and network engineers. They have different sections like software sections, hardware section, network sections. In this course, focus of the fundamentals of networking, IT, and softwares. So mostly the face problem and the operating systems. So how can solve the problems of IT troubleshootings? In this course, especially designed to help them step by steps, how can solve these problems when you face in your organization anywhere. So these are especially designed for that people who want to improve their skills for IT related, any professional or non-professional in computer related, they can join this course. After completing this course, they can help uh, step by steps, and this course available lifetime. You can contact me any query you have, you can ask me, and I have mostly update my courses after 2 or 3 months according to requirements of the students. So what kind of queries they come, I'm try to solve these problems of students. Any students have any query related to IT troubleshootings, so I think it is the suitable course for them. And for especially today's modern area of technology, so these courses especially help the learners and very useful for the learners know about the IT troubleshooting. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can ask me. You can join my course on the link below on the descriptions. Thank you very much for great opportunity. Especially we thank for Jake who introduced the course for you.
This is very important because when we have good content, we must always take the opportunity to share it with other learners. Many people only learn about our activities when they arrive on the site that we're preparing it on. But it's very important that we introduce the world to these sites because instead of having us essentially looking for others or depending upon others to join us on a designated website or a designated platform, what we're doing is we're going out to the audience and saying, please join us here. And we're essentially sending out a virtual welcome mat to everyone because we want them to join us and enjoy what we are in fact presenting. But rather than have the student or the learner simply come to our site and stumble upon our content haphazardly and in a disorganized and inefficient manner, what we are doing is we're going out to the global audience and saying, look, this is what we have here. These are highly interactive and highly professional learning experiences, and they are all attributed to one man. And that one man is Mr. Muhammad Ismail from Pakistan, who has a passion for learning and a passion for guiding students to achieve academic success with regards to the information technology discipline. Let's join Mr. Muhammad Ismail in the publishing and in the content creation efforts that he has provided and learn together. When we build large and extensive learning communities, we have the opportunity and the necessary experience to make the world a better place. I'm always excited whenever I interact with Mr. Hamid Ismail and other learners on various platforms, and we will continue to have these types of dynamic interactions together. Thank you very much.